Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry it's been a long time no see. I was anxious to get back on YouTube, but here I am. I've just been so busy with just, adjusting to moving and stuff. So why don't I start off with an unboxing? So this is something I ordered off of Poshmark. And I've had pretty good results from buying stuff from Poshmark. This is something I ordered. It's extremely rare, so I'm very excited. However, when I got the box today, it's a little bit smaller than what the item is and should fit into. You guys all know what kind of bag this is, so I'm pretty nervous, but at least I know I can just kind of return it easily if I have to. But this is a rare bag. So the condition looked very good on Poshmark, so I don't know, but let's get right into it. Yeah, let's see here. So this is kind of loose. So let me just cut this real quick. Yeah, the sun's coming out, that's good. But except for my label is kind of over the top of the slits, that's kind of dumb. Okay. Oh boy. Whatever, that's okay. Yeah, because this box is smaller than the bag. I think it's okay. Let me see if you guys can see this a little bit, hopefully. Let me check my viewfinder. Yep, you can kind of see it. But they put tissue paper. Oh, wow. A book. A little blank book. Okay, that's really weird. Oh. It says, "Hello, thank you for your purchase." Smiley face. "I hope this package finds you great health." What the heck? "Enjoy your dusty blue satchel." Oh, I gave it away. "Remember to rate your order. Feedback is very important." So kind of, yeah, let's see. Okay. Oh, and we got a little pen. This is hilarious. Look, the cat's package. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. This is thoughtful. Let's hope it looks good. The person did say ahead of time on Poshmark that they previously bought it from a different seller, and they said they just wanted to change up their wardrobe. So, slip the bag, open up. Oh, hopefully, I hope it's good. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Not too bad. It's not stuffed, so you can't really see. See if you can see that. Yeah, you can. You can't see the full dimension of the bag. It's got kind of a different texture. It's kind of rough, although if it is, okay, that looks good. Got these on it. This protects the tassels. It's good. There's a little bit, a little bit of scratches. Okay. So look inside. You got your strap. That's in okay condition. I like that. Wow. Inside. You see this. So sorry it's dark. Oh shoot. But anyways, it's the standard Dooney setup. Is an older bag. It does have a snap pocket on the inside, and then a zip pocket and a slip. So because obviously this is an older color. Oh look at the key fob. It's this is my oldest Dooney bag then. Okay, let me smell it. It smells okay. It has a weird smell, but it's like almost smells like pine needles. But do I have stuffing? Let me see if I have some stuffing. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. I like how this matches. So that's a bit what I noticed about this bag, it's in okay condition, is it's very mushy, extremely mushy, more so than the normal, because I have just one Florentine satchel, and it's stiff, like fairly so, but this is like mushy, but it is an older bag. I think it's in okay, pretty good condition. I could rub out the scratches on the back. Color is really cute. But yeah, I'll let you guys know if I have an update on it. But yeah, it does have one mark on the handle. It's like a magenta color. But yeah, I think I might keep it. It's still really cute. So, but yeah, just thought I'd pop in and do that. Hopefully I'll be able to do some more videos soon. And I'm still thinking about doing vlogs. Still kind of tentative on that, but I don't know, you know, because I got a roommate too, and they're kind of, you know, sometimes like, you know, because I hear her and then she hears me, so, but that's okay, you know. So, and like I said, I didn't want to necessarily do vlogs anyways, but I'm still thinking about it, so don't think I haven't forgot you guys. So, I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I might, because it's rare, you know, and it's kind of cute, but yep, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. See ya.